Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to generate random numbers between 1 and 6. So given the starting range that is 1 and ending range as 6, so you have to generate a random number between 1 and 6. So let us try to use inclusive of 1 and 6 as well. So for me to generate a random number, so I need to import a random module and I need only specific function, that is randint function. So this is just a 3-line code. So let's try to understand it. So from random, so this is a module and I need to import randint. Yeah, so this is a function that I require. So that is randint. So let us try to use this particular function and try to use it. So let's take a variable that is number to store the random integer, and let's call the function randint. So the starting range is 1 and ending range is 6. So once this statement gets executed, so you will be having the that is random number stored in this particular variable. So now let us try to print the variable. So using the print function, so that is let's try to string format using F and try to print. So let me copy paste the same, that is random number between random numbers. So random numbers you can also generate using the for loop. Just put this print in the for loop, so it'll, or you can try to use infinite while loop. So here we'll just only try to generate one number per execution. Yeah, so let us try to print the number. Yeah, so this is a 3-line code to generate a random number between 1 and 6. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see random number is 5. Running it again. So you can see random number is 1. So let's run it. So 6. Running it again 2. Running it again 1. Running it again 5. So let's run it 5 again 5 3. Yeah. So that this keeps generating the random number every time you execute. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.